programming 1, we have Jake Ivan. He got 98%. And also Clint, he got 76%. You need improvement, okay? Next time. Okay, class, we have new rule here. Final requirement. Fix is rocket school website in just 30 minutes. No grades yet. So before we can really go, I allowed for that time ma-explain you, okay? Okay, there you go.
Paano ba ito?
AI ba ang papairalin o ang sariling kakayahan gamit ang sariling utak?
Lang, paano ba ito? Bakit di gumagana ba? Di makapipis to. Okay, Dan. Dan, okay. Okay, tapos na.
How about you, Clint?
Opo, ma'am, tapos na ba?
Okay, very good.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay, Ivan, are you done? Oh, okay, black screen yun yan. So, yun, makasa ka lang sa AI. Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Okay, mag-usap tayo mamaya.
Ivan got perfect score but got 0 in challenge, while Clint got not almost perfect but got 100 points in challenge. So ano to?
Sorry, ma'am. Inasa ko lang sa iya. Akala ko.
Grades are paper. Skills are what get you hired. AI is good, pero gamitin mo para matuto. Hindi para lukuhin ang sarili mo. Naintindihan?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, pwede ko naman turuan sa Ivan. Sabay mo.
Okay, good idea. Okay, yan ang tunay na matalino. Okay.
Mm.